Hey, what's up guys, and today I got a pretty cool video for you, and it involves the Thunder Bee. So first, we got our empty shell, we got our CO2 cartridge, and we got the main device. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna unscrew this, pop the CO2 cartridge in there, just like that. We're gonna screw the tip back on. And we're almost done. Gonna pop this right into the just like that. Make sure it's tight. We're gonna open this up. Get our pin ready. Pull this back just like this and set the pin into place. And just like that, our grenade is ready. Now let's give it a shot. Alrighty. Bye-bye. That was awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe if you like this video, and comment. Thanks.